Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Usarumesi Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making Ankara sun hat. Actually, it's a two-sided Ankara sun hat. So I'll be using two fabric for this. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just show you guys the making with one fabric. So for a start, I have this 1 yard of Ankara fabric. I'll fold into two with the measurement 13 inches, as you can see. Now I'll fold again this 13 inches folded part. I'll fold it again into two at the middle to make four. As you can see, it's folded into four, as if I'm making a peplum. Actually, I'm cutting as if I'm making a peplum. So now I'll measure out 12 inches all round. As you can see, from this angle all round, 12 inches. So now I'll cut out this measured part from the main fabric. And now on this fabric, I'll measure out another 4 inches from that same angle, 4 inches all round on that angle, as you can see. So guys, now I'll take the many fabric, I'll cut out a band 26 inches in length and 3 inches wide. And now guys, here's the duplicate. This is the lining. The other part, one part will serve as the lining and the other will serve as the front covering. As you can see, I already added gum stay to the fabric. As you can see, I use my pressing iron to press down the gum stay on it. Now I'm going to cover up with this other part, using the right side, fixing the right side. I'm facing the right side with the right side. So now I'll go to my sewing machine and sew round. I'll do the same for all other parts I cut out, the round circle and the band I also cut out. Same goes for the band and the round circle. Okay guys, I'm done with the sewing. You can see I sewed the band. I joined the two edges of the band together. As you can see, now I'm going to, you can see this one also, I also joined it round. Now I'll turn out from the middle. inside out. As you can see, I'm going to turn inside out from the middle. So now guys, you can see I'm done turning. You can see the back and the front, they are both side front. You can use either side of it. Now I joined the band together. Now I will go to the sewing machine and join this band on the round cycle at the middle. As you can see, I'll go to the sewing machine and join it now. So guys, you can see I'm done with the joining. I joined the other fabric same way. As you can see, now I'll place this fabric inside the other fabric. You can see I'll place it in the one with the gum stay. I'll place it in. As you can see, now I will join this to the round peplum. Take the peplum and I'll join it together at the middle like this. As you can see, this is how I'll join it together all around. As you can see guys, I'm through with the joining. This is the hat. If you want, you can use this side or the other side, whichever way you wish to. But if you are using this side, I'm making a band, or you can use a ribbon or whatever you want to wrap up this part where I sewed, where they were joined together. You can use a ribbon or a band to just cover it up. As you can see, cover up the rough edges up. So my sun hat is ready. Yeah guys, this is me rocking my sun hat. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.